pleasant day to you, Maicon. This is my final assignment, number 1 for human-computer interaction. The website that I choose that I think didn't match the standard characteristic of a UI is with a specific Northwest X-Ray Inc. Let me tell you why. So what is the flow of our presentation? Of course, number 1, introduction, followed by review of user feedback. Next is the usability of analysis. Next is proposing design, and lastly, creating prototype. So as we know, in today's digital realm, user interface or the UI feedback can be mixed with complaints ranging from confusing navigation to inefficient task management features. So our mission is to dissect the current interface, pinpoint usability issues, propose design enhancement, and craft prototypes for a more intuitive and efficient user experience. So these are some of the user feedbacks or the review of user when they use this specific website. And this is the usability analysis. So ito yung website na napili ko. As you can see, obvious na obvious naman kung bakit considered as a bad sample of UI ito. Una sa lahat, yung kulay is contrasting the color of the letters here in the website. Saka kailangan pang i-zoom in yung website para lang makita yung text. And because of that, it's not really user-friendly. It also have pure navigation. Kung makikita nyo naman, parang hirap niya sundin kung saan nag-click mo alin na ba ang gagawin. And if you click that naman ganyan, clustered, napaka-clustered niya. Yung information hindi naman kailangan, nandyan din. Saka yung mga elements is not totally arranged. Saka, nung ginagamit ko siya, it has a lack of mobile responsiveness. Sobrang bagal niya. Hindi siya na-adapt sa screen size and mahirap siya gamitin. Another thing is slow loading speed. Ang bagal niya. Especially kung impatient yung user, may inis if they use this website. And outdated design. The visual design looks old and not up to date with current website design trends, which can affect the credibility and attractiveness of the site. And confusing content hierarchy. Walang clear na prioritization of the information, making it hard to the user to understand what is important or how to navigate the site. And lack of visual appeal. Hindi siya appealing, obviously. Inconsistent branding. Branding elements such logos, colors, and typography are inconsistent across the site. And like I said, poor readability, mahirap siyang basahin. And limited accessibility. It has a lacks of features in it po. So, this is my proposed design dun sa website. So, ito na, makikita natin sa left side, may logo na siya. Then, yung name niya, hindi na dun nakasiksik kataas. Yung color niya and size, readable na din. And the quotes that say, simply the best, hindi ko siya inalis. I just put it on the right side because I think that is the owner of this website want. And nilagyan ko rin siya ng menu bar para mas madali gamitin ng user. Click mo lang yung equipment, lalabas yung mga equipment. Click mo lang sa accessories, lalabas sa accessories, parts, and business info, etc. And user-friendly na rin siya kasi easy to follow na. And for navigation, meron na tayong search bar na pwedeng mag-search na lang dun sa user if ever na alam niya yung product na i-search niya. And another thing is, yung product is hindi na crowded. 3 na lang yung nakikita dito sa homepage. But if the user wanted to see all the products, just click see all and lalabas naman yun din doon. And after that, ayan na. Kapag halimbawa nag-click si user ng isang product, ito na yun. Hindi na crowded yung area, hindi na magkakahiwalay yung detail ng product. Ay nakalagay sa right side yung about this product, nakalagay detail yung color. So, nakalagay lang naman dun is isa lang yung color, warm gray lang. And the stock, yung tawag doon, yung thickness, yung price andon, yung description is andun din, yung rate, and yung pangalan ng product. Then, after that is ayan, yung shop ng yun makikita na kasi dun sa website hindi siya nakikita, so nilagay ko siya doon. Doon sa nagbebenta, pwedeng si user magkaroon ng communication para mas sure na legitimate yung product. Then, meron din dito ang add to cart parang sa Shopee or sa TikTok. Kasi, commonly, yung mga if especially kapag hospital or kino-compile nila yung mga product na binibili nila. Then, kapag orderin nila yun, ayan, order now. Just click order now. And for the description, hindi sila hiwa-hiwalay. Makikita natin, buo na siya andyan. Mababasa ni user na yung product na yun ay ganito and the features, makikita na rin niya.